Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So tonight, all we're going to be doing is knocking out a dent behind the passenger side door. So basically we got hit when we were out of California, so we're going to take some hot glue gun and some Papa Dent stuff and try and pull out the dent as much as we can. Use a hammer and some other tools and try and pop it out some more as well. And just get it as close to straight as we can. And then we'll go on from there. So I didn't get a chance to show the before, but this was super caved in. I mean, right now we have it like basically almost perfect. I mean, obviously we have some glue residue, the paint's chipping off, but that'll all be repaired later. But like that looks really good compared to what we started with. So we're really happy with that. This is the dent we knocked out. Yeah, we still have a little bit to go right here, a little indentation, but we can pull that one out. But this was super far in. This was all kinds of messed up. Like, it was like that far in compared to the door, and now it's almost flush with it, which is exactly what we wanted. So we're super happy with that. And then yeah, we'll get some more stuff done on this car and keep it rolling. I think as far as this car, most of the things we need to work on. So we got some new body panels from another racer. So we're gonna put those on for the front fenders, and then also a new bumper. So we're gonna put that stuff on, and then I'm gonna put that stuff on so we don't have to really fix the other ones. We'll fix the other ones throughout the year and get those fixed so where they can be good spares and wrap them up and everything. And then so we'll have straight fenders on this, and then we'll have a newer bumper, front bumper on it. And then so we'll put all that stuff on later, but for now, tonight, all we're gonna be doing is trying to knock out a dent and get it as straight as we can. So that'll be that. And then yeah, just so stay tuned for this whole series, and we'll go through more things as we continue to work on the car. The motor should be done this week. The car from there, all we really have to do is just double check a couple things. Like the tranny will be back in when the motor goes back in. We got a new clutch. Just got to get a couple different things going, and then we'll be able to wrap it, get an alignment on it, get the setup on it, get the dyno tune on it. So when we dyno the motor, we'll be breaking it in as well. So as we get these things happening, we'll keep you up to date, and you can see the progression of this car as it goes through the winter from busted up nothing to something fast next year.